Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious math tutorials. Today we are going to consider the second part of Primorial. So I'll be calling it what? Primorial 2. And this type of Primorial is also denoted by, you have this, and then what? You have what? So you have Pn what? Primorial. Denoted this way, okay? Alright. So, viewers, so the product of the first n prime numbers, okay, is denoted by this, as simple as that. Okay, viewers, so let us evaluate the following. Primorial of 4, alright, this way, equals, now, the hint or the strategy is this. You see that this number 4 simply tells me that I'll be seeing what? 4 numbers or digits. Then I would eventually multiply those numbers such that the numbers are prime numbers. Are you fine with that? But remember, for this type of primorial, you'll start from the lowest or the smallest number in the increasing order. Unlike the first one where we have to start with that number and we would what? Decrease the numbers to the smallest prime number. So what we do is, this is the number 4, right? So that means I'll be multiplying 4 numbers, okay? So I have my first number here, then times what? My second number here, times what? My third number here, times what? My fourth number here, because of the number 4. If I had here to be 10, then I'm expected to see what? 10 numbers. So let's start from the smallest prime number. So if I have 4 here, 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Then 2 minus 1 is also what? 1. So class, I don't want to start with the number 4 because 4 is an even number. Alright, so that means I'll start with the next what? Prime number, which is what? 3. Is that also good? But listen, for here, what you do is I have 1, 2, 3, and the 4th number. But viewers, if I start from 3, then to 2, I'll be making a mistake because I am reducing the numbers. But remember, as for here, I have to what? Rather increase the number. But make sure that you are multiplying 4 numbers at the end. So here, this is what? The number 4. So the number 4, when I increase 4 by 1, what will be the next number? 5. Is 5 a prime number? Yes. So I'll start the number what? 5. Do you understand it that way? But for the previous one, I'll rather what? Decrease it. But here I'll increase it. So from 5, I'll move on to what? The next number, which is what? 6. Is 6 a prime number? No. So I'll boycott 6. Then I'll move on to the next prime number. So from 6, you move on to what? 7. 7 is a prime number. So I have what? Times 7. Then times, so from 7 you move on to what? To 8. But 8 is an even number. I don't want an even number. So I'll move on to the next what? Prime number. So from 8, 9. 9 is an odd number. I don't need it. Then 10. 10 is an even number. I don't need it. Then times what? 11. So the next prime number after 7 is what? 11. Then times, what will be my next prime number? So 11, then 12, then 13. So 13 is what? The next prime number after 11. So 13. And by the help of the calculator, I'll be having 5 times 7 times 11 times 13. And I'll be having 5, 0, 0, then what? 5. But viewers, let's observe something. You see from 5, then to 7, to 11, then to 13. So you see we are increasing it. So that means we are multiplying the number by the prime numbers in the ascending order of magnitude. But the previous one, we're multiplying it by what? By prime numbers in the descending order. So take note of this. Let's consider this primorial of the number, let's say 7. This way is given by. So how many numbers am I supposed to see? 7 numbers, okay, because of this. So I have my first number here, times my second number, times my third number, times my fourth number, times my fifth number, times my sixth number, and times what? My seventh number, in the ascending order of magnitude. But note this, the numbers should be what? Prime numbers. So class, is 7 a prime number? Yes, so I'll start with from what? From 7. Alright? So what will be the next prime number? So I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So I have 11, then what? 12, which is even. 13, this way. Then I have what? 14, right? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This way, okay? I will be getting a whole lot of things. So, times, what do we have? 20, right? 21, 22, 23, right? That's the next prime number. 20 what? 23. Then what do I have? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, then what? 29. So I mean this way, 20 what? 29. As simple as that. So we have to multiply them, okay? We have to multiply all of them. So 7 by 11 by this. So we have 7 times 11 times 13 times 17 times 19 times 23 times 29, and we are getting, the number is astronomically large. So I have 2, 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 4, 1. So the last example, okay? So primorial of 5 this way is given by how many numbers would I be multiplying? 5 numbers, because of this. In the what? In the ascending order, in the increasing order. So I have what? My first number, my second number, my third number, my fourth number, and my what? My fifth number. So is 5 a prime number? Yes. So I'll start from 5 times the next prime number. So 5, 6, 7, right? Then times what? 11 times what? 13 times what? 17. So I'll be having what? I want to multiply this. So I have 5 times 7 times 11 times 13 times 17. And I have 8, 5, 0, 8, then what? 5. Viewers, this is the end to this trivial topic. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.